Hi viewers, good afternoon everyone, depending on where you're watching from. Good evening, good morning. I welcome you all to my subscribers, my lovely subscribers. You're welcome. To those of you who view without subscribing, subscription is free, guys. It is free, guys. Subscribe to my channel. I also welcome you all to my channel. So guys, if you're wondering what I'm squeezing like this, so today we'll be making this. I am holding is fenugreek. This is a wonderful grain and rice. This is what most Asian women use to grow their hair. Like I said, this is what Asian women use to grow their hair. This rice you're saying is so wonderful, like it promotes your hair growth. So the next thing I took is these are three ingredients I took. Rice fenugreek. So this rice fenugreek, I'm going to be soaking it in a water. Then I also use avocado seeds, which is known as a powerful seed to grow your hair. So combining these three ingredients is going to be doing a great, as in it's going to be a great combination. So I'm going to be soaking this quantity. Like fenugreek doubles in size, even rice doubles in size. So I'm not going to be taking everything. So I'm going to be taking a small quantity. By the time you soaked uh, um and blend it, so it's going to be doubling in size. So there is no need for you to be taking too much. Like the one I even took is even too much. So guys, I'm going to be quickly washing the dates. So I'm going to be quickly washing the dates out, then and add a fresh water to soak it for the next day. So I'm here, I'm going to strain. So guys, if you want to succeed in this production I'm making, please do not skip this video. Do not skip this video so that you get exactly what I just did in this video. So this is my rice. So I'm going to be adding um a water that I'm going to be using to soak it. So this water, so make sure you are going to be adding a water that the rice is going to be drinking it up. So don't, because by the time you add excess water, you are going to, by the time the rice swell up, you are going to be have excess water that have already extracted all the nutrients. So it's going to be waste. So it's going to be waste. What? In the other hand, it's still not going to be waste because this is what you will be using to extract all your nutrients. For me, I didn't add any water. All the water I added, so the rice has, as in, it has, the rice has already drawn everything. So I was left with just rice. When I was the next day when I brought my eyes, so there was no water left, which you can see here in the strainer. Though I put it in a strainer, but there was no water left in mine. So this is my avocado. I went ahead to grate my avocado. So if you're using a, if you have a, if you're using a blender, you can go ahead and grind to make it easier. So go ahead and blend. For me, I'm using a hand mortar. So I just pounded both of them. So guys, if you want to grow a thick and a healthy, as in a thicker strand and a healthy hair and a lengthy hair, I think this combination is actually good for you. So guys, please do not add excess water. So on this point of time, I went ahead to use my bare hand because a spoon is not going to do better. So I went ahead to use my hand to smash it and mix it up. Then I'm going to, the first thing I am doing is to use my strainer to strain it. So this is the first stage. I'm going to use the strainer to strain it. You can see this is already taken because of the fenugreek. So like I said before, if you are trying to grow your ethical hair strands and a longer hair, these three combination, these three combos are for you. So guys, give it a try. So this is my the second stage. So I'm going to be using a thick socks. So make sure your socks is neat. So the video wasn't capturing when I was recording. So I skipped that part. So this is the use a thick something, like a thick something to strain the second stage of it so that there won't be particles left. Because if there is any particles, so you are going to be doing a hard work to get it out from your hair. You understand? So that is why I use a thick socks like this to be straining it out. So this is just milky, nothing left. There is nothing chaff passing through it. So this is going to be, you are going to be applying this on your hair. And after 2 hours, you are going to be washing it out. So guys, you have to try this, be consistent in this, then you come and give me a feedback if your hair is growing or is not growing. And not even only this, try other things I do to her hair. Like today, I'm not going to be applying this on this particular video. So guys, I love you all. Bye bye.